friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. Today, I am going to clean, declutter, and organize my closet drawer. I hope you get some motivation going and tackle that chore that you so need to get done as well. Let's do this! If this is your first time visiting my channel, hello and welcome! I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle, I'm a wife and a full-time working mom to an 8-year-old sweet boy. I hope you consider subscribing for more cleaning motivation like this, organization, and mom life. I upload new video every single week. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching. You are the best and I truly appreciate you. After deep cleaning my whole downstairs, I am now moving on upstairs. Here I have so much clutter. Clothes, things, junk, you name it. And I am going to tackle all of it one by one or area by area. Clean, declutter, and organize. So heads up guys, this is just my closet drawer I am going to tackle today. I have so many more to show you so that you can get the most motivation you need. If that's something you like to see and watch, make sure you subscribe with the bell on so you'll be notified when I upload my future videos. I have been super busy these past few weeks. I feel like everything is happening all at the same time. Work, life, everything is moving too fast and I'm getting behind with so many chores, projects, and just in general. I would just leave things and not put it back how it should be. And you can only do that for so long until it starts bugging you and affect your daily life, which what happened to me. I can't find anything and it's slowing me down every time I'm trying to get ready and look for a specific item that I cannot seem to find. So today, I'm going to fix one of those things that stresses me out the most in my daily life, my closet drawer. I wasn't doing anything really special. I just took the clothes out of my drawer little by little and I started to fold them and fix them. The ones that I know for sure I don't use anymore and I don't like anymore, I put it on the side so I can get rid of them. And I plan to keep the ones that I only like and what I actually really do use so I can have enough space in this closet drawer because I feel like it's so full, not everything fits.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. taking control. The future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. The feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. You say we had a bad romance, but baby you keep stealing dances. Keep cutting in like you own me, then suddenly throw me away. You say we never had a chance, but you keep throwing me these glances, looking like you want me right now, but just like lightning you're gone. Yeah, you're gone. You're waiting around to go out with somebody, anyone but me. You act like you want me, then suddenly drop me for anyone but me. Anyone but me. Oh, you say that we were doomed to fail, but you still ask me what's the room I stay in. If I didn't know any better, I'd probably give you my plastic key card. You're waiting around to go out with somebody, anyone but me. You act like you want me, then suddenly drop me for anyone. I've thought about giving up, but then you show up and tell me that you've been confused and that you're sorry for hurting me. Then you change your mind back again. You're waiting around to go out with somebody, anyone but me. You act like you want me, then suddenly drop me. Yeah, you drop me, yeah. Waiting around to go out with somebody, anyone but me. You act like you want me, then suddenly drop me for anyone but me. For anyone but me. Oh, anyone but me. For anyone but me. I wanna give you a million things, 'cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again is something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belong. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe.
I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home. If I did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on so you will be notified every time I upload my new videos. If you wanna follow and connect with me, you will find my Instagram account link in the description box below.
Yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it. Oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Cause all you need is somebody. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you.
Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I will see you all again on my next video. Bye!